And Bree, overall, it's going to be a beautiful day, especially here in the Pikes Peak region, where we're waking up to temperatures in the lower 30s. So chilly, yes, but not nearly as cold as it can easily get this time of the year, this time of the day. Still need the jacket, the extra layer. I think you could probably leave the hats, gloves, the winter boots at home. Let's get right to that school day forecast. Still hovering around 30 around 8 a.m. So make sure the little ones are layered up and covered up as they head out the door to school this morning. By the afternoon, they can shed the layers with a mild mix of sun and clouds, and highs today once again right near that 50-degree mark. Elsewhere across southern Colorado, we're waking up to upper 20s up towards Monument Hill in Denver, 28 for Lamar, 22 for Salida, 36 the warm spot in Canyon City. Now, much like this same time yesterday, we are seeing some areas of super dense fog and a dense fog advisory in effect for areas just east of Pueblo County. You can see the current sensor at the Pueblo Airport on the east side of town shows that visibility near zero. That generally means it's right around a quarter mile or less. Looking at the big picture, wave number one that we talked about yesterday still going to bring some moisture into the state today, especially our southeastern mountain ranges, and some of those showers could drift into the southern parts of the I-25 corridor, possibly even the Pikes Peak region later today. They would be very hit or miss in nature. The main player that I'm watching is that storm off the coast of California this morning. That'll spread snow into our state's mountain ranges during the day tomorrow, and still tracking an increased chance of seeing some scattered rain and snow showers during the overnight hours and into Friday morning. Now, given the current storm track, I still think most of the higher amounts are going to be south of Highway 50, but still here in the Pikes Peak region, for example, it's possible we could see up to an inch in some areas, with an inch or two of snow possible around Monument Hill and Woodland Park. But on south, that's where we could see some higher amounts, 2 to 4 inches, excuse me, in Walsenburg. 2 to 4 for Rye, 4 to 6 in Levita. One thing I want to point out is the challenge of this system bringing in some warmer air, which maybe means more rain than actual snow out across the eastern plains. You'll see moisture, yes, but probably not much accumulation. Highs today in the 40s out east, 40s and 50s up and down the I-25 corridor. As we look at that super 7-day forecast, before the system arrives, we're back into the upper 40s to near 50 tomorrow, and then cooling down on Friday with some snow showers early, but with that high above freezing, a lot of what falls in the morning probably melts by mid to late afternoon. Then by the weekend, a warming trend expected to begin. For Pueblo, we're down to the mid 40s for your Friday, upper 40s Saturday, but check out next week, 60s for the first time this year by next Tuesday. Canyon City, low 50s through tomorrow, mid 40s with unsettled conditions on Friday, back to the 50s beginning on Sunday. And for Woodland Park, a quick shot of snow here from Thursday night to midday Friday. Still in the 30s on Saturday, but snow melt sunshine making a comeback from Sunday into early next week.